Welcome back, everybody. Ready to dive into some seriously cozy tech. Today we're looking at winter warmth gadgets. For anyone out there trying to seriously upgrade their cold weather gear.
I think it's pretty interesting how we're taking basic needs like staying warm and mixing it with technology. It's not just about not freezing anymore, it's about efficiency and personalizing your warmth, even making it stylish.
Yeah, totally. So let's see what we've got to work with today. 6 products. A heated vest from iSuffo, heated insoles, then a heated hat, scarf, and glove set, a Geniani heating pad, a Beer heated body pillow, and a Fur Haven Thermonap pet bed. We'll go through each of these and see what they're all about, and think about whether these are must-haves this winter.
It really shows how much things have changed. I mean, we've gone from basic solutions to some really high-tech stuff, all just to stay warm and comfortable.
Okay, so let's start with the iSuffo heated vest. Imagine you're out hiking in the winter, winds blowing like crazy, but you're totally warm because of this vest. What makes this better than just layering up a ton?
Well, one big thing is the targeted warmth. Instead of just trapping heat with tons of layers, the iSuffo vest uses carbon fiber heating elements to warm up your core. This way, the heat goes where it's needed most. Plus, you can move around more freely, which is super important for hiking or skiing.
Sounds super efficient. And get this, it can stay warm for up to 10 hours on one charge. Pretty impressive for something so light and comfy.
Yeah, that 10-hour runtime. It shows how much battery technology has improved. It's not just about making heat anymore, it's about saving energy and making the battery last longer, which is key when you're outside and can't just plug in somewhere.
Totally. And don't forget, it's windproof and breathable, so it keeps you protected, but not all sweaty.
Oh,
And it's machine washable. No more hand washing electronics.
for sure. Being durable and easy to clean is a huge plus, especially if you're going to be using it a lot outdoors. They really thought about making this thing last.
All right, let's move on to something a little different. Heated insoles. You know that feeling when your toes are freezing no matter how many socks you wear?
Rep.
These are designed to fix that. So what's the tech behind keeping your feet warm?
It's actually pretty advanced. It's not just heating elements. You can control the temperature with an app. Like, imagine being able to change how warm your insoles are from your phone. That means you can always get the perfect temperature, no matter how cold it is or what you're doing.
App-controlled insoles. That's next level. And it's not all about comfort either. They have multiple heating modes. They automatically shut off to keep you safe and save battery. And they last up to 11 hours. That's longer than some of the heated vests we talked about.
Yeah, the runtime is amazing. Clearly, they're focused on getting the most out of the battery. So you can stay warm for a long time without having to recharge. Perfect for skiing, snowboarding, even just walking around a cold city all day.
And they're washable and durable. Plus, they come in different sizes to fit any shoe. They really thought of everything to make winter a little less miserable.
It's a great example of wearable tech getting it right, combining comfort and function without being complicated or annoying. This isn't just a gimmick. This is tech solving a real problem, keeping your feet warm in freezing weather. Okay, so we're talking about staying warm. What about when you need to be warm from head to toe? Like literally. Let's talk about the heated hat, scarf, and glove set. What do you think about this all-in-one solution?
Yeah, it seems super convenient. No more searching for all the different pieces. Plus, it all matches, which is good for people who care about looking good. But how do they even put heating elements in things like hats and gloves?
It all comes down to how small they can make electronics now. We're not talking about those big heating pads you sew into stuff. These are thin and flexible heating elements. They can weave them right into the fabric.
Wow.
So it fits better, and the heat spreads out more evenly. Plus, it doesn't make the hat or gloves look weird. Oh, and a lot of these sets have gloves that work with touchscreens. You know, because no one wants to take their gloves off to use their phone in the winter.
For real. That's like essential these days. Speaking of convenient, I heard this set heats up super fast.
Yep, some of them heat up in like 30 seconds, almost instant warmth. They probably use some special materials that transfer heat really well. It's crazy how far we've come from those old gloves that took forever to warm up your hands.
Sounds like they really put a lot of thought into making this easy to use. But okay, let's switch gears for a sec. Some people prefer the good old-fashioned heating pad, like the Geniani heating pad. It's a classic for a reason.
Oh, absolutely. Heating pads have been around forever because they're simple and they work. But this Geniani one takes it up a notch. You can adjust the heat settings, and you can use it for dry or moist heat therapy.
Moist heat therapy, what's that do? How's it different from dry heat?
So moist heat gets deeper into your muscles and stuff. It's really good for muscle tension, soreness, even period cramps. The heat and moisture together help relax the muscles, get the blood flowing, reduce inflammation. Dry heat is more for surface warmth, like for general aches and pains.
So having both options is pretty cool. Now let's talk about the Brewer heated body pillow. This one seems like pure luxury.
It's definitely fancier than a hot water bottle. It's like a heating pad and a body pillow all in one, so it's perfect if you have back pain, neck pain, or just want to be super comfy while you sleep.
What I like is that it has 6 different heat settings.
Yeah, that's awesome. You can really personalize it. Some people like it really hot, some people are more sensitive. And of course, it has auto shut off and overheat protection, so it's safe to use while you sleep.
Very important. Okay, but we can't forget about our furry friends. The Fur Haven Thermonat Pet Bed. This one's self-warming for cats and small dogs. How does that even work?
It's actually pretty simple. The bed has special materials like fiber batting and mylar. They reflect the pet's body heat back to them.
Interesting.
So it's like a passive heating system, no electricity needed, super safe for pets.
So it's all about trapping that natural body heat and making it extra warm. Plus it's covered in this super soft faux fur. I bet pets love that.
Definitely. They put a lot of thought into the materials. It's like giving them their own little fur coat. Super cozy and warm, especially in the winter.
It's like they took all the best parts of a cozy winter den and put them into a bed. And it's lightweight and portable, great for travel, or just moving it around the house.
Exactly. Pet products are getting so much better. They know people are always on the go with their pets, so they're making things that are easy to take with you to keep your pet comfy wherever they are.
Oh, we covered a lot of cool stuff. Heated vests, insoles, even a self-warming pet bed. It's amazing what people come up with to stay warm.
I know, right? It's like we're always pushing to be more comfortable, even when it's freezing outside. What's cool is how many different ways there are to do it now. Some are high-tech, like the vest and insoles, and some are more basic, like the heating pad and pet bed.
Totally. So many options to choose from. Out of all of this, what are some of the big trends you see in these gadgets?
Well, one thing is they're getting more energy efficient. People are thinking about the environment more. So companies are making batteries last longer. And even using alternative energy sources, like that pet bed that uses the pet's own body heat.
Right.
Another trend is smart features, like app control and being able to customize the settings. You can really personalize it to how you like it.
It's like they're learning what we want.
Yeah.
And they're getting better at giving it to us. Plus, they're looking better, too. So many of these gadgets are sleek and stylish now. They fit right into our lives.
Definitely. You don't have to sacrifice style for function anymore. I think people are realizing that you can have both, warm and good looking.
Yeah, winter warmth is getting a makeover. But really, it's about more than just looks and tech. It's about making winter better, being able to do more outside, feeling better when you're in pain, just being more comfortable overall.
Absolutely. It's about making winter more enjoyable.
So what's next? What do you think is coming down the line for winter warmth?
Oh, who knows? But with how fast technology is moving, I'm sure we'll see even more amazing things in the future.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into winter warmth gadgets. We hope you learned something new and maybe even got some ideas for staying warm this winter.
It was great chatting with you.
And to all our listeners out there, stay warm, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.